St. David's Rehabilitation Hospital is unique in that we have subspecialized rehabilitation in Central Texas, and we have an interdisciplinary approach where we're able to work as a team every single day to see what the patients need. All of our wonderful therapists really go above and beyond, and they get creative on how to help our patients regain their lives.
One of those patients is Philip Engel. When Philip suffered multiple strokes in a single night, everything changed.
I was in a great deal of fear on that first day. And then in tears, I just put my head down and gave up and said, I can't do this. And the therapist that was working with me said, no, you can't do this yet.
But Philip had something powerful, a goal.
I told them my goal was that I wanted to ice climb again. And the amazing thing about the staff here is they created different exercises that would simulate the activities you'd perform when you were ice climbing to help me train to ice climb.
Through intensive therapy in the Young Stroke program and a team who believed in him every step of the way, Philip turned fear into progress. 13 months later, he stood at the base of a frozen waterfall in Colorado and climbed.
This is for all the staff at St. David's that got me to this point.
Philip's journey is inspiring, but it's just one of hundreds. Every day, our teams help patients rebuild strength, restore confidence, and rediscover what's possible. Our Young Stroke program is the only evidence-based, comprehensive program in Texas designed for younger and midlife stroke survivors. Our Amputee program offers complete support from wound healing and limb care to prosthetic training and emotional recovery. Our adaptive driving program is one of a kind in Central Texas, helping people drive safely through specialized evaluations, training, and adaptive equipment, whether they're new drivers, returning after an injury, or managing other health conditions. Behind every program is a team of experts, doctors, nurses, physical and occupational therapists, speech-language pathologists, neurospecialists, psychologists, and case managers, a team united by one mission: your recovery.
Patients are generally here for maybe a week to 4 weeks, depending on what they're going through, but we need to be able to give them the tools and their family members the tools to continue to recover even after they leave this hospital.
Across every program, one belief guides us: recovery doesn't end at discharge. Here, patients find more than therapy. They find a team, a plan forward, and a belief that with the right support, extraordinary outcomes are possible. St. David's Rehabilitation Hospital. Exceptional care, real outcomes, lifelong recovery.